Driving in fog can be a nerve-wracking experience. Visibility can be severely reduced, making it difficult to see the road, other vehicles, and potential hazards. Here are some recommendations to help you drive safely in foggy conditions. Slow down and increase following distance. This is the most important tip. Fog can distort your perception of speed and distance. Reduce your speed significantly and increase the following distance between you and the car in front of you to at least 3 to 4 seconds. Use low-beam headlights and fog lights, if equipped. High beams will reflect off the fog particles and make it even harder to see. Use low-beam headlights and fog lights, if your car has them. Fog lights are designed to cut through fog and illuminate the road ahead. Turn on hazard lights, if visibility is very low. In extremely dense fog, where visibility is near zero, turn on your hazard lights to warn other drivers of your presence. Don't use cruise control. You need to be in complete control of your vehicle when driving in fog. Avoid using cruise control and be prepared to brake suddenly if necessary. Use the lane markings on the road to stay in your lane. If the fog is so thick that you can't see the lane markings, it's time to pull over. Minimize distractions. Put down your phone and avoid anything that can take your eyes off the road. You need to be hyper-focused on your driving when visibility is limited. Pull over if necessary. If the fog is too dense and you feel unsafe continuing, pull over to a safe location. Turn on your hazard lights, and wait for the fog to clear. Do not stop in the travel lane or on the shoulder of a high-speed road.